Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2007 Volvo XC70 2.4 D5 Lux Geartronic, which is automatic and all-wheel drive. With the private reg on the vehicle, as you probably noticed, you really can't tell the age of the vehicle. It's in that good condition. You wouldn't be surprised if it was much newer, and obviously such low mileage, just done over 67,900. Parcel shelf all cream inside, full leather in the front and rear, and when the parcel shelf's removed, you've got that dog guard there, but it does fold up. A full cream leather, heated front seats. You also have cruise control and the climate control aircon. Your front driver's seat is also electrically adjustable with 3 different presets for different drivers. Front and rear electric windows, and a great service history. Drives superb, and if you'd like to find out for yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.